This is going mad right now, and it's just said mummy. It's just said mummy. Bex? 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 Are you a girl? Hello? It's like somebody has attached themselves to Bex.
I think we should go and call Paul. Can you?
Hey?
Mummy?
Pass me the radio, please.
Mummy?
Hold on a minute. Hello, Emma. Where's Paul?
Mummy?
Paul is on the stage.
Right, I need him right here, right now.
Mummy?
Somebody shouting. I'm just going to go and get Paul. Paul!
Mummy?
Paul!
Enough! I said enough!
Mummy?
Have you had enough?
Quick! Oh my God!
Someone had attached themselves to me, which made me feel like a child. When Sean touched me, instantly I felt a force push him away.
Quick!
What's the matter?
Something wrong with Bex and there's
Something pushed me away from her then. When I went near her, something pushed me away. It's like I got a static charge in my body.
What's the matter?
Mummy? No. Mummy?
I understand you want your mummy.
Where's my mummy?
I don't know. Can you tell us your name? Can you tell us your
Who
name?
are you?
No. Mummy?
I understand you're afraid, but right now what you're doing is you're affecting somebody else and you're probably scaring her.
No. No.
We really need you.
No.
We really need you to give us our friend back.
Leave this body right now!
Where's my mummy?
I don't know, sweetheart. But what I want you to do is reach out to my hand. I really need you to take my hand.
No.
I may be able to help.
What's
Don't worry about those. Trust me and take my hand.
why?
Because I want to help. It's safe. Take my hand. There you go. Hear me. Push this person away from you. We need you back. Come forward, Bex. Push this little girl out. Push this little girl out. Come forward. Come towards my voice. Come forward. Come on, Bex. You okay? Whoa. You okay? There we go. Alright. You okay now? You alright? Don't know, but we need to get you out of this room.
Yeah, let's get you out.
Way too early for you. You okay? Come on.
There's some weird stuff going on here.
Okay.
Let's get out.
Don't worry
Let's get
about
out,
it. Let's come and get it later.